I'm not convinced. Yeah! Are you ready to have some fun? Yeah! Fantastic. All right. Here's a couple of rules. This street is for return for the driver. Stay out on the street, okay? Don't be running out here and get squished. If you want to get some good things, you want to recline, but don't get squished. Let's give a big shout out for Greg. We're putting this all together. Let me get some love for Spring Valley EMS, Spring Valley Fire.
just one me on my own. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Keep it going, the bottom road, the place is buzzing. Can folk come to see you fall by the dozen? Russian style, go hog wild and regale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Thank you.
Best Paint and Body Award winner, Laser Street.
The guitar, the joy, happy gale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. No place is buzzing. Can folk come to see you fall by the dozen? Dress in style, go hug wild and be gale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya, coffee, pie, Billy Gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle Amigo. The guitar, Milford jar, and Miguel. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou.
Thank you very much.
There's a man in New Orleans who plays a rock and roll. He's a guitar man with a great big soul. He plays down the beat like a ton of coal. He goes by the name of King Creole. You know it goes, jumping like catfish on a pole. You know he's gone, and shaking King Creole. When the king starts to do it, it's as good as done. He holds his guitar like a Tommy gun. He starts to growl from way down in his throat. He bends a string and that saucy roach. You know he's gone, drumming like catfish on a pole. You know he's gone, and shaking King Creole. When the king starts to do it, it's as good as done. He holds his guitar like a Tommy gun.
chains up and then pull the heads up. Yeah. Each on each side, thank you.
There you go, Riley, that's you.
Don't worry about pushing it.
I mean, you gotta go up there. Get everybody up there to participate.
If you participated, jump up here.
Jump up on there? Everybody up on the cement.
Sorry, I got a chance. I just.
Yeah, jump up.
Let's get all the mini bikers. Cut it early. They just picking the winners. Here comes the barber.
Did Gigi win?
Mini pin. She's in the mini pin show.
Mini bikers over here.
How did they break their axle?
Well, you're not really supposed to do that kind of stuff in a car. Car and stuff. I don't know.
All right, everyone scream out who your favorite one was.
Landon!
Okay, we're going to go down the road. Mini bikers, let's hear it for the mini bikers. Who thinks they should win? Landon? Here's the last one. Ryan, the possum dance.
Woo! Yeah!
That was overwhelming. Thank you very much. You're all winners in my book. All right, let's go back downtown, hang out with the mini bins. We're going to have tricycle races later tonight. The comic drifters are going to be
Can we
playing.
do the tricycle races?
Later
It's
on.
going to be a rock solid game.
What? Hi.
Looks like you're riding a bucking bronco there.
That thing
Thought you were gonna climb the freaking wall.
Yeah, I thought so too. That tire turned into a slick real quick, and then I couldn't sit down and I couldn't kick it. I almost took everybody out.
You stay here.
Aren't you in the grass, Jay?